All right, quick lesson on making a paper bead. I've made it so that we'll have more of a circular bead, so I've cut it out that way, but you can make it straight. There's a pattern that you can make it oval, however you want to make it, entirely up to you. So I've already cut out the pattern, and you're going to take your little stir stick that we gave you, and we're going to start from the bigger end. So you're going to pick it up, no nails, so and we start to turn it. So you're just getting it started on the paper stick. This is a little messy, so I've put plastic down. And then what you can do is just take your paintbrush and put some Mod Podge down on the top part of your paper here so that it's covered. I mean, you don't want it soaking, but you don't want it super dry or else it won't stick. And then you just roll it. So your hands are gonna get gross, but that's okay. You're gonna keep rolling it. I gotta tighten that up a bit as I go, right to the end. And then you end up with this and you just slide it off. And this is your first paper bead. So I made a long one, and make as many as you like. Have fun.